So put your ass in the car, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do.
To the channel, this will be my first YouTube video, so please bear with me if things not like in order all the way together. Today we got this 10-inch wig. Something quick, something light. Right now we're going to take the Ruby Kiss in shade 14 and just tint the lace. I really want to get into like getting lace tint, the actual spray lace tint, and see if that makes a difference. But I was being lazy, so I didn't have time with it. So maybe next video. So we're just gonna take this and put it on the lace.
Okay, y'all, so I forgot you can't listen to music in the background when you're recording on YouTube, so I gotta do a voiceover for this part. So I'm literally just adjusting the wig on my head, seeing how I want it to lay. Now I'm going to be cutting off the ear tabs. Okay, now I'm going to be cutting the lace into 3 sections because after I apply the glue and I place the lace on my head, I like to cut it off in sections. Okay, now I'm going to apply, I think I did like 4 to 5 layers. Make sure when you're applying this glue each time before you apply the next layer that it is completely clear. I didn't show me when I first applied the first layer, but this actually was the second layer, and you see like I let it dry clear and you can't even tell that I had already applied my first layer. So now I'm just gonna spread the glue out. Okay, now I'm going to be blow drying on a cool setting to get that glue clear, and I'm applying my lace now. I don't know what that little weird spot is next to my eyebrows. That's so weird. Okay, but anyways, now I'm going to be placing the lace onto the glue, and I'm going to be pressing it in with my hands. I've heard some people say that you're not supposed to do that, but I've literally never had a problem with doing that, so that's what I do. Now I'm taking my comb and I'm using the comb to press in the lace into the glue as well. Now I'm going to be using my Kendra's Boutique hot comb, and I'm going to be using it to hot comb my hairline back, and that also helps with like melting the lace even further before you apply your elastic band. Okay, now this part is my own little like personal trick into furthering melting in my lace. I take the back of my hot comb. Yeah, y'all be careful when doing this part because that shit burnt the fuck out of me. But I take the hot comb and I press it across the elastic band to melt the lace in even more. And now we're just going to be hot combing the hairline. Sometimes I use cool settings, sometimes I use warm, sometimes I use hot, sometimes I alternate from all three settings. I personally haven't noticed a difference when doing that based off like the temperature of the blow dryer. It all does the same to me. I don't know. Air is air. So whichever one I feel like doing, that's what I do. Yeah, cause who bought the move? Oh, okay.
Yes. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what? For real, stiff what? Ooh, nowhere.
And that's on Big Purr. Now I'm just going to be cutting the lace off in a jagged up-down motion. Y'all, I don't know why, but I swear it just seemed like razors cut way better than scissors. But the razor that I did have was like super dull. And once again, I was too lazy to go to the store and get another one. Now I'm going to use the same makeup that I used to tint the lace and put it on the perimeter of the hairline. Once again, to further like blend the lace in. Finally, I'm going to be pressing throughout the hair one last time. I really didn't have much to do for this part because I had already like pre-styled the wig. I straightened it and hot combed it to make sure it was flat prior to me putting the wig on. I don't know why I always be looking so serious and bitchy. But now I'm just going to be cutting off the little pieces that's like a little longer than the rest of my bob to make it more precise and blunt. And this is the final look. I didn't want any baby hairs. I just wanted to keep it cute, simple, classy, Bobbiana.